Hello everyone, I'm here in Katy in a new bathroom renovation we just completed, and I wanted to show you what we did in here. So this customer wanted a luxurious feel, and I think we definitely achieved that. So on this side of the room, this used to be a large old-fashioned style garden tub. We put a nice freestanding soaker tub here for her with beautiful floor-mounted fixtures. We enlarged the shower a little bit. And if we open it up here, we have a nice niche in there for all their soaps. Beautiful porcelain large format tiles with penny rounds. And I always like to recommend linear drains in the showers. Aesthetically, it just looks better, and function, when it's sloped correctly, it really drains the water from the shower beautifully. So that's what we did here. And they have a nice shower head there with a handheld as well. And then on this side of the room, we gave them new doors. They wanted to keep their existing cabinets because she really liked the seating area and it was in great shape. So we just basically gave them nice new updated doors. Nice new quartz countertops here, of course, new sinks and fixtures. And the white, lights, grays, and gold tones just really brightened up this space for her. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for our next renovation.